In this video, I'm going to explain how to claim your custom LinkedIn profile name, which is called a URL, and that's coming up right now. Hey there, Mark Warnken here. Thanks for tuning into my channel, the #1 place for business owners and brands to learn everything about social media that will actually help grow your business. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button below to stay up to date with all of my weekly videos. And don't forget to tick that little bell icon as well. Claiming your custom LinkedIn URL name is one of the simplest things we can all be doing on LinkedIn. But all too often I see business owners and brands who haven't actually done that simple process. Now, the URL is www.linkedin/ and you can then choose your own name or your own business name. And if you don't actually choose that, LinkedIn just give you some jumbled code and it just looks a little bit ugly. So this video, I'm going to show you how you can claim your unique custom URL name, and I say unique because it is only available to one person in the world. It's like a telephone number, it's like a domain name. So grab a pen and paper, grab a coffee as we dive into some live screen action now, and you can follow my mouse.
So here we are on my LinkedIn profile, Mark Warnken. If we aren't yet connected on LinkedIn, by all means, send me a connection request, and who knows what opportunities may open up between us both. Going to the top of my profile here, www.linkedin.com/IN, Mark Warnken. There is my customized URL already in action. So that's what we want to get to. Just makes it a little bit nice and neat, becomes searchable in LinkedIn. Remembering LinkedIn is many things, but it equally is a giant database and a search engine. So, and it's one of the simplest things we can all do, but equally it's one of those things that so many people tend to miss out on and they just forget it. So that's what the objective we're trying to get to, and then once it's done, and you can then forget about it. So let's go to my newsfeed and see if we can find some other connections of mine who don't have a customized URL. Anthony, I'm connected to. He's a fellow Aussie, does some great things, so I know he does. Here we go. Dan's a first level connection of mine. Let's click on Dan's profile and see what his URL comes up with. Here we go. So this is a good example. LinkedIn.com/Dan-Clawwer, and see it's got this little bit of code at the end. So it's only something very simple. It's just one little thing that Dan could do to tidy up his LinkedIn profile a little bit more. So there's an example of not a customizable LinkedIn URL. So scrolling back to my newsfeed, let's see if we can find another one now as well. Okay, so Dan, we found Simon. Diana's another fellow Aussie. She does some great stuff on LinkedIn. I know she does as well. Here we are. Kirk Kenny, sales trainer at Freightliners Grand Rapids in Michigan. Love his profile, love what he's doing. But again, see up the top, linkedin.com/IN/Kirk Kenny, and then it's got the jumbled code after that. So that's what we're trying to avoid. We're just trying to tidy it up as per my one here. So how do we actually do that? How do we go and change the customizable and make it a customizable URL? LinkedIn make it very simple. Look at this over here on the right hand side. Edit your public profile and URL. So when we click on that, it's going to take us to a new screen. Edit your custom URL. Personalize the URL for your profile. www.linkedin.com/IN/Mark Warnken. We click on the pen, and this is how simple it is. We would be able to take out that jumble code and add your own personal name, your business name, or a combination of both. And that's how simple it is. And once you press save, then it is saved. Now, your URL is just like any website. It's unique to you. So my suggestion would be to try and grab your name first. You might then have to add a second name if your name's a common name and it's already taken. You might want to add a combination of your name and your business name. But try and get your custom URL up and running. As I say, you press save and then it is all done. The end result is that when someone's looking for you on LinkedIn, it's going to help slightly with the search results, just tidies up your LinkedIn profile as well, makes everything look a little bit neater and makes you look that 1% extra professional in the eyes of everyone online.
So there we go. Hopefully you found this video informative, entertaining and helpful, and you now have a customizable LinkedIn URL, whether it be your own name or your business name or a combination of both. I would love to hear from you. Put your customized LinkedIn URL below in the comments section and I will check out your LinkedIn profile. That way we can also maybe connect on LinkedIn as well. If you're watching this video on YouTube, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. If you're on my Facebook page, smash the like button. Follow me on Facebook as well. Mark Warnken, Social Media Selling 123 signing off, and I look forward to seeing you again in another one of my videos real soon.